Every morning, thousands of wind turbine technicians climb higher than most city rooftops to keep the world powered. And what they do up there surprises almost everyone. You'll see the part of the job most people never hear about near the end. A wind turbine technician is responsible for inspecting, maintaining, and repairing the giant machines that turn wind into electricity. Today, we follow one full day from ground level to the top of an 80-meter tower. The day starts before climbing. If one thing goes wrong during this step, the entire shift changes. Step 1. A safety briefing. The team reviews weather conditions, wind speed, access routes, and planned maintenance asks. Step 2. Gear check. Harness, lanyards, helmet, rescue equipment, insulated gloves. Everything must be perfect. Step 3. Drive to the turbine. Many sites are in open fields, hills, or coastlines. This is the part everyone talks about, but very few understand. Climbing a turbine is a controlled process with strict technique. Inside the tower is a vertical ladder with rest platforms every few meters. Technicians climb with a fall arrest system that locks instantly if they slip. The climb takes between 8 and 15 minutes, depending on the height and the technician's pace. Most people imagine a hollow shell. In reality, it's packed with machinery. At the top is the nacelle. This is the heart of the turbine. Here you'll find the main shaft, gearbox, generator, control cabinets, hydraulic systems, yaw motors. Technicians navigate narrow walkways with heavy equipment and tools. This next step is what separates beginners from experienced techs. Typical tasks include tightening bolts, replacing filters, checking electrical connections, inspecting blades for cracks, and verifying the control system. Every action is logged. There's no guesswork. Every turbine has its own maintenance history. Before we end the shift, here is what the earnings actually look like. Wind turbine technicians earn between $48,000 and $74,000 a year. Travel work often pays more. Remote sites offer bonuses. Night shifts and emergency repairs add even more. At the end of the day, technicians climb back down, file reports, and prepare for tomorrow's turbine. Now the question, which job should we decode next? HVAC technician, surveyor, quality control, or something more unusual? Comment your pick. It might be the next breakdown.